Hello everyone, I am here to share my thoughts with you all through my speech on disaster management. I am extremely obliged to be given this opportunity to deliver this speech. Disaster is a calamity of sudden happening, a disaster causing injury and death to a large number of people during a short span of time. Disasters have caused by reasons such as earthquakes, heavy rainfall, hurricane, chemical accident, drought, or even armed conflict. This is a huge change in climatic conditions on Earth. Summer days are increasing and winters are decreasing. All these changes are leading to excessive natural disaster. Importance of disaster management. Disaster management is very important in recent times. It is tackling the hazards that occur before, during, and after the disaster. Disaster management is a similar act as consuming medicine for curing a disease. Disaster can also be any form of epidemic, disease, or industrial failure such as Bhopal gas tragedy or the disaster of Fukushima nuclear plant. In the event of disaster, proper preparation are essential for managing the situation. Proper mechanism help to minimize the effect. Predicting the probability of some types of disaster can help in decreasing the vulnerability of the people. Disaster management team help in rehabilitation and in minimizing the loss of life and property. This is because they have trained professionals. They provide physical and materialistic assistance, but also help in the emotional rehabilitation of people. Disaster management in India, National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) is the leading government organization. NDMA formulates the policies and guidelines for disaster management to ensure timely and effective response towards disaster. The Government of India also keeps a separate fund known as the Contingency Fund of India to manage disaster in India. Functions of NDMA are administrations, policies, formation for disaster management, mitigation of disaster, approval of the plans laid down, formation of funds for the purpose of mitigation of disaster, running various programs and imparting guidelines. A number of activities need to be executed in the event of a disaster. This involves the coordination, command, and full control for the rapid assessment of damage, restoration of power, telecommunication, and transportation. Also supply medicines, drinking water, and food material. NDMA team does the setting up of temporary shelters, sanitation and hygiene, identification and earmarking of resource. Conclusion. On this note, I would like to conclude that disaster management is a collective and coordinated effort. Everyone must take an active part in disaster management to reduce the risk of human life. The proper disaster management team can take charge as soon as possible when the disaster strikes. I am fully confident that everyone sitting here will remember this and will also help for spreading awareness among other citizens. It is necessary to solve the biggest problem related to the nature and human life. Thank you.